This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, September 20th, 2019. This one I got a call for no hot water in the shower. And I have worked with this tenement before, and I believe they had American Standard shower valves in there, which is kind of unusual for my area. I don't see them that often, so it might be the case. It might be like blocked where the cartridges inside. Sometimes there's gets a little sediment in that port, and it'll block the hot water flow. Go over there and check it out, see what's going on. It's a tenement. It's a tenant. So
straight, then take the third right.
Here comes the hot. I'm getting hot water out of it. Hot water. What's the complaint with this?
Well, I say the morning there's no hot water.
Well, you gotta let it run for a while for the water to get up here because you're on the second floor.
Yeah.
When you first turn it on, the water's been sitting in the pipe all night, right?
Yeah.
Because check it now. I mean, it's warm. Yeah, I can feel it. I can turn it up downstairs a little hotter if you want at the water heater, but that's about it.
Okay.
Yeah, she's got it turned up. Unless there's something blocking the cartridge, not getting full hot water. I guess I can take it apart and check it. Second floor. Second floor. I'll find out which one is second here going up. Here's second. And then there's the hot, so I should be able to take it apart and, yeah, that's definitely, it's pretty warm. We'll take it apart and see what the cartridge looks like.
Yeah.
Take it apart and we'll see what's going on with it. Might be some stuff in there, some sediment or something. Got the water off, so. Water heater's turned up all the way downstairs, so she's saying the water was hotter before. see. I don't work on a lot of these. She driving you nuts?
Yeah.
The old lady? Yeah.
Yeah. He's talking about, you see, you flush the toilet, you open the water, you flush the toilet, you see on the water.
Man. Yeah, a long ass screw there.
You want a grill? I have a grill for you.
A what?
The grill.
Hour. There's a schmag. That gasket looks broken.
It's broken.
No, it's broken. The gasket is broken. And that gasket is broken. I don't think you need that thing though. Wow. It's coming out, but man, it doesn't want to come out. Let me how I go here. It's coming, but man, it's not wanna hear it so much. Man, it's coming out, but not easy. Yeah, she's coming out, but man, she corroded. Yeehaw. Look at the calcium built up on that thing. That's really bad. Cholesterol's really bad built up. buildup. A lot of cholesterol built up in there. Alright, gotta run out and get a pot here for this thing. It's probably internally in this thing, it's just all mucked up, so just get a new one. I don't have these in the truck. I don't really run across these too often. We'll go get another pot and we'll be back. Oh, we got here. There's no unit in there. Brand new. Yeah, we got a new cartridge in there now, so it should be fine. It should be. I don't really come across a lot of these. I work on a lot more Simmons mowing than I do these. Check it before we put it all back together. It's probably the toilet filling. I did tell him he had one flush, so it's probably the toilet filling. She's got this thing turned all the way up. We're getting good hot water now. Yeah, it's really hot now. Too hot. I have to turn that water heater down now. Well, that's what you want. You want it hot, right?
Yeah.
She's got it hot now. Alright, so we're getting hot water now. I just have to turn it down at the water heater because she's got it. It's just flipping red hot coming out of here because it's so hot at the tank.
Yeah.
So I'll turn it down at the tank,
Okay.
and then this should be more in line to being realistic here.
Okay.
I gotta turn the water heat down. She got it cranked up all the way. It's just flipping crazy, crazy hot. We'll turn this thing down to where it needs to be, and that should be better.